Hello everyone, welcome to Practice English with Danko. I hope you're okay and good condition. Welcome back to my channel today. In this session today we are going to talk about directions. So as you know, the direction it is most important in our life. So if you wanna to describe or if you wanna to tell someone when you ask about the directions, how you have to tell them about directions. And also, the directions mean instructions that is you give to the someone about how to find some particular place. Okay, so when we talk about the directions, we have there is cardinal directions and ordinal directions. So uh, cardinal directions, we have four directions, as you know: north, south, east, west. We always know about the first letters. And also ordinal directions, it could be between north and south, or between west and south, and between north and east. We have to use ordinal directions. But today in these sessions we are going to asking or answer about how to tell someone about directions. Okay, first in this part we're gonna talk about directions, our proposition of place. We're gonna use we have some place here. We need to destruction, or we need to give direction for this place. As you see, we're gonna give the direction of place coffee. Okay, this cafe, we're gonna give the direction about the cafe. Okay, first when you said on the left of the King Street, or on the left of the street. When we ask where is the cafe, you must say the cafe it is on the King Street. Okay, it is on the left of the King Street. This is the King Street. The cafe is on the left. Okay, and here the cafe on the right. So if the cafe positions on the right of the King Street, so you must have to say the cafe is on the right, okay, of the King Street. Okay, here the cafe it is in the King Street. By the way, we have to use in and on. Both of them is correct in the proposition of place. Okay, the cafe in the King Street, or the cafe in the street. As you see here, the cafe is in the street, here in the left of street, here in the right of street. Okay, so what about the other propositions? The cafe it is opposite the bank. So if the cafe it is opposite the bank, opposite it is mean like left, right, or in front, behind, or like black, white, that is mean opposite. Here we have a cafe is opposite the bank. Okay, where is the cafe? The cafe is opposite the bank. Okay, between the cafe and the bank, the street. Okay, here the cafe it is next to the bank. The cafe and the bank in the same side of the street, but the cafe next to the bank. Here, when we ask about where is the cafe is next to the bank. Both of them in the one side, but the cafe after the bank. Which means if you want to go to cafe, you first passes the bank, and after that go to the cafe. Okay, that is we have to say use a preposition of place next to. Okay, so here the cafe, it is near the bank. The cafe and the bank in the same side, but there's this little far. The cafe, it is little bit far of the bank. So that is we have to use near, a preposition of place near. The cafe is near to the bank. Okay, so that is about this part. And next part here, we're gonna do some quiz together to be more clear or to understand how to give someone directions. As you said, the direction definition said instructions to give someone how to find particular place. Okay, so here we have proposition of place, trend, near, on, over, next to. Okay, we're gonna use this proposition of place in the gaps. Okay, first, number one, is there a museum? Gaps here. This question, if someone asks you, is there a museum? Something here. So what is the proposition of place? It is work with this one. So in my opinion, I'm gonna put here near. It is became is there a museum near here? If you ask the questions, you said if yes, there is a museum over there. Or the museum is next the street. Or the museum is opposite the bus station. Okay? Is there a museum near here? Okay? This is the question. Great. Number two, go along this route and gaps left, that is bar street. Okay, here in these sentences, go along this route and something left that bar street. Okay, trend left, we're gonna put here a preposition of place, trend left that bar street. So go along this street and trend left, that is mean or that is their bar street. Okay, great. Number three, theaters is something the left opposite, that is bus stations. Theater, it is place. Okay, the theater is something that is left opposite bus stations. What are we gonna put here? Okay, so in my opinion, the theater is on the left. We're gonna use the preposition of place on. Okay, the theaters on the left opposite the bus station. Okay, we're gonna use the prepositions on. Very good. Okay, number four, it is drop they're near cinema. Okay, a question or a sentence is said it is there near the cinema. So it is, we're gonna use a preposition of place over. It is became over. Okay, it is over there near the cinema. This answer, for example, where is the supermarket? The supermarket, it is over there near the cinema. Okay, we're gonna use a preposition of place over. Okay, very good. Number 5, mailbox, something, something, door. Okay? So we need to know the direction about the mailbox. What is the mailbox? Said the mailbox, something, something, door. Okay? We're gonna use the preposition next to. Next to door. It is meant the mailbox next to the door. Okay? Here the prepositions next to door. Okay? What is the mailbox? The mailbox near or next to the door. This is the answer about to give someone direction of mailbox. So I think this is all our directions. So I hope to be useful for you. And if you like this video, I invite you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell so you will be able to get any notifications when we have to upload the new videos. So everyone, thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day and take care.